Okay students, today we will see previous year asked SSC JEE questions on verbal ability topic. Let's go from the first question. Which one of the following given responses would be a meaningful order of the following? Let us see the options now. Let us see the order now. This is the first question. Branches, root, trunk, leaf and flower. In this question, they have asked us to solve these things in a meaningful order. That is the question asked here. When these type of jumbled questions are asked in competitive examination, if they did not mention, we have to solve from top to bottom or bottom to top, means we have to think in both the options and we have to see the answer options available and see which is the correct answer. I mean, from top to bottom and bottom to top means we have to go like from root to the end part flower, and it can be from flower to root also. We have to think in both the options. Let's see the answer options given for us. Option A is 4, 3, 1, 2, 5. Option B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Option C 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. And option D 4, 1, 3, 2, 5. Let us solve this question in a meaningful order. Generally, what is the base part in a tree? Root is the base part of a tree. So we all know that. So the first option will be starting is here is 2. And the only option starting from 2 is option C. So this will be the right answer. So let us move on to the second question. Which of the given responses would be a meaningful order of the following? And it is the same type of question. The order is as follows: village, state, nation and district. This is the order provided to us. We have to arrange this in a meaningful order. That is our objective for this question. And let us solve this. Initially, what will be the smallest thing in this? We have to guess. The village will be the first thing which will come, and the second thing will be district. The third thing will be state, and fourth thing will be nation. This is the order. Let us see the options. Option A 4, 2, 3, 1. Option B 2, 3, 1, 4. Option C 1, 2, 4, 3. Option D 1, 4, 2, 3. As I said, village comes first, district comes second. 1, 4, 2 and 3. And the option is option D. Okay students, let us move on to the third question. Which of the given response would be a meaningful order of the following? And the options given are adult, babyhood, childhood, infancy. Okay, some of us people don't know the meaning of infancy. Infancy means the child which is below 1.5 years is called an infancy, and we have to solve this question in a meaningful order. And what will be the shortest age here? Definitely infancy is the shortest age, which will come as first, and childhood and babyhood. I'm sorry, infancy and babyhood and childhood, because babyhood means the child will not start to talk, and in childhood only baby will go to school and adult. And let us see the options. Option A is 4, 2, 3, 1. Option B 4, 3, 1, 2. Option C 4, 3, 2, 1. Option D 4, 1, 2, 3. And as I said, infancy is the first, and babyhood, childhood 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move on to the fourth question. This question deviates from the first three questions. This is a different type of question. Let me read the question. From the given alternative words, select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word. Actually, there are some options given here. The options are acute, trace, price, erupt. And the question here is recuperate. Generally, when these type of questions are asked, you don't need to know the meaning of the given question here. You just need to know from this word which of the given options cannot be formed is the questions asked here. Let us see which of these things which cannot be formed. Acute, A-C-U-T-E, and A-C-U-T-E is already there in the question, so this can be formed, so this is not the answer. Trace, T-R-A-C-E is also there, so this can be formed, so this is not the option. In this question they asked which option which cannot be formed, so the next one is price. Here this one cannot be formed, the third option cannot be formed, price, because the letter I is not provided in the question, so this will be the correct answer. The word price cannot be formed from the given option recuperate. That's it. We will move on to the next question. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. We have to arrange the given words in the sequence which it comes in the dictionary order. You know dictionary order? Like alphabets will be provided in increasing order from A to Z. So we have to arrange the words in a given dictionary order. And the options are price, police, paint and prawn. We have to order these things in dictionary order. Okay, initially let us see all the starting letters are of P, so everything, there are chances for every option to come first, and the next thing is A, so A comes before all of these words, so paint is the thing which is going to come first, so fourth option first. Next, after P-A, P-O will come, so that is police, 4 and 3 will come. Next, P-R-I-C-E, P-R-I-Z-E, P-R-A-W-N. So here the fifth option will come, because before P-R-I, P-R-A will come. So therefore fifth option will come before, then first option will come before, because before Z, C will come. And the answer option is 4, 3, 5, 1 and 2 is the answer option. Is this clear, guys? We have to order this question in dictionary order. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. This is the same question as the previous question. Let us see what are the words given here. Drive, drone, drain, drink and drama. These are the options provided here. And this question has been asked in SSC JE 23/1/2018 forenoon batch. This question is asked in the concerned batch, and let us see, we have to order this thing in a correct sequence in the dictionary order. Initially which will come? DR, DR, DR is present in all the options, though there is equal possibility of all the options to come first, and next we have to go for DRA, and here these two options have equal possibilities, and we have to check the next letter before that. I will come before M, so drain will come before drama, therefore 3 is the first option and 5 is the second option. After that we have to see drive and drink, within that drink will come first, so 3, 5, 4, 1 and 2. This is the correct answer. You can obviously refer the options which are provided here in VJ Academy website. the concerned SSC JEE papers is already published in the website. You can download that material and you can read it obviously with me with the questions and the answer options. Let us go to the next question. Question number 7. This question is also asked in SSC JEE 23/118 4-noon batch. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. Let us see the answer options now. Option 1, series, singing, secure, sickle and secured. And let us see the answer options. 35142, 53142, 35124, 53124. We have to check the options here. Which will come first? SE will come before SI. Therefore, these three have chances to come first. Initially, which will come? There is secure and secured. We have to note this point clearly here. The word secure is one letter shorter than the word secured. Okay, can you understand that? So here extra word D comes. So therefore, this is the thing which is going to come next to the option secure. So therefore, 3 and 5 is the thing, and next we have 3 and 5. Next what we have to see is SE. In the SE series, R comes next. So 3, 4 and 1. The next thing going to come is SICKLE or SIN. SIC will come before SIN. So therefore, sickle will come, then singing will come. So the correct option will be option 1. This is the way to solve this type of questions, guys. Before seeing the option itself, we can solve the questions very easily. And in some of the questions, the options will be, for example, they will give secure. These options are a little bit complicated. Here 351 comes and 351 comes. In other times, there are chances that they would give like 3 and 2 in every other option, and imagine like this 3, 2, 5, and we can easily say that seeing the first option itself 3, 5 will come because secure and secured come next and next. So we can easily tick the first option without even seeing the other options and the other answer options also. So we can solve like this. Let us go to the next question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in SSC JEE 4/3/2017 afternoon batch, and the dictionary order questions has been completed here. Here is this question comes with a new type of question. Let us see. Which of the following words follows the trend of the given list? There is some list provided here, and the options must follow the list. We have to select which is the correct option. And let me read out the trend. Let me read out the list first, and I will read out the options next. The list is animate, arrate, castle, setup, items, and the options here are attack, batch, tough, and cutter. Okay, now I will give you a chance. Can you solve this question? For your convenience, I will read the question again. Which of the following words follows the trend of the given list? There is a given list is provided here. In these options, a single word must come here, and that word must follow this order. And most of you people will be started thinking that, oh, this is a difficult question. We have to know the meaning of each and every option to provide which is the correct answer there. But that is not the case, friends. Trust me, SSC JEE questions are very easy compared to GATE. And if I say the logic here, you people will just laugh and say, wow, is this the logic? Is this very simple? And I trust you, even a second standard and third standard child can solve this question. And I will see easily what is the thing here. And before saying the logic, I will say the answer option and I will give you some time. You can pause the video and guess how this answer option comes. The answer here is tough. Okay guys, how the answer option tough will come here? Just think of it. Okay, it's time to reveal the answer and now I will say the answer. The word T is shifting to one position to the left in each of the options here. See that here the word T is there in 6th position. Here the word T comes in 5th position. Here the word T comes in 4th position, and here to the 3rd and here to the 2nd. And see the answer option. The option coming next that must have the alphabet T in the beginning. So which option comes in the beginning? T, tough. So this is the answer. And as I told you, these questions are very easier and you people might laugh now, is this much easier? And believe me, the following questions are also going to be very easy and you can clear the verbal ability questions very easily if you just watch this previous year question videos. Okay guys, let's move on to the next question. Let me read out the question. Question number 9. This question is asked in SSC JEE, and in this session the question, each and every question I am solving belongs to SSC JEE only, and we will solve the GATE previous question in the upcoming session. Today we will see about SSC JEE questions alone. SSC JEE 4-3-17 afternoon batch. Let me read the question for you. These questions will be provided as a hint to you in your mobile phone, and if it is obviously will be going to be provided, and other than that you also can download the material and take a printout and solve with me, in which you can get a prior practice for your examination, and you will know, you can just write the hints in the right side, which will be easy for you to understand when you start reading after some 2 to 3 months also. So let us go to the question again. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. Let us see the series now. XXO, XXX, the first one. XXX, OXX is the second one. XXXX, OX, the third one. XX, XX, X, O is the fourth one. And obviously, when I started writing the question itself, most people might have started to guess the answer, and this one is an easy question. Most of you people know how to solve this because it is in the common analogy pattern. And see the answer options, guys. And you can easily, obviously, crack the logical pattern here, and the answer is 2. Here the letter O moves on to the one position to the right, so that is the logic here. In this it is in 3rd position, 4th position, 5th position, 6th position, and you may ask, this is the last position sir, and how can I write the question, you may ask. But when the O comes in last position or any of the letter comes in last position, the next one will come to the first again. So this will be the answer option, and that's it guys. It's very simple question, isn't it? And now let's move on to the next question, 10th question. This one is asked in SSC JEE 4-3-17 afternoon batch. I will read out the question initially. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that it will complete the series. That is the question. And now let us solve the question with the given options below. QLG RMH SNITOG and question mark. And the answer options are UKP, KPU, KUP and UPK. Generally guys, there is an easy trick for you when this type of alphabet questions are asked in SSC JE or any other competitive examination. You can't start writing the things after reading the questions like alphabets. You can't write after reading these alphabets, and you can't write ABCD up to Z and put the numbers here. You have to do the thing before itself. So I will give you give you 5 seconds, pause the video and write the alphabets and prayer and numbers up to 1 to 26 in your notebook, so that you can clear it easily, and write alphabets. Okay guys, when I said you people to write the alphabets, how many of you wrote the alphabets like A, B, C, D, E up to Z and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? I believe most of the people will be written like that only. But if you write like this, it will take so much time for you to get onto the option and check which is the right, which is the right. So always when you are writing alphabets like this, you have to write like A, B, C, D, E in 5 rows. And after writing the alphabets, you have to number the alphabets starting from 1 to 26, so that you can see the numbers very well. You can't start counting again. Let us now move on to the question QLG. Let us see the logic between the first pair QLG. Where is QLG? Here is QLG. This is the first pair. In this pair 17, 12, 7 are the numbers. The number is reduced by -5, -5 and -5. The alphabet starting from 17, it reduces -5, -5. So the logic here is -5, -5. Number between them. Let's read the next pair, that is RMH. RMH, and here the logic is same again, -5, -5 and -5. So obviously -5, and if we check on for the each options, all the options might have the same logic. SNI, the same logic, -5, -5. TOJ, and again the same logic. And let us see which will the next one come. You have to see UKP. Where is UKP? UKP. U is 21, K 11, 16. It's that in logic -5 and -5? Obviously not. 21 minus 10, it is going on -10. So this is not the correct answer. The next is KPU. 11, 16, 21. You can say, sir, this logic comes in 5, 5, 5 difference, sir. But that is not the case. The logic here is you have to get -5, not +5. So this also will not be the option. The third one is KUP, and obviously it's not the option because 11, 21 difference is 10. The next one is UKP, UPK, and see here 21, 16, 11. Obviously you will get -5 and -5 also. So the answer here is UKP, option D. Okay students, let's move on to the next question. Question number 11. Let me read the question first. In the given series, one word or one term, one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. And the series is FILO. And another alphabet might come there in such a way that it completes the series. And the options are option A R, option B Q, option C P, and option D S. Let us see the logic between this pair. F-I-L-O. F-I-L and O. What is the logic here? 6, 9, 12, O, 15. The alphabets has been increasing in the sum of 3. So the next option must be 15 plus 3, 18. 2, 3, R. R might be the answer. Obviously R is the answer. You can also check that. And this question has been asked in SSC JE 4-3-17 afternoon batch. As I said you earlier guys, these questions are really easy, and there are certain logics differs from question to question, and when going to the next level you may face a little bit difficulty in the upcoming questions, and let us solve the other questions also. Question number 12. This one is asked in SSC JE 4-3-2017 afternoon batch, the same batch of that one. The question is, in the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. And the series is provided below. Pig, mead, voice. Is this visible for you? Or else I will write in below. Nulls. And the answer options are garnets, permuted, Beaufort, Heaths. Okay guys, you can obviously pause the video, and if you feel like you can solve this question, you can try it, and I will say the logic in a few seconds. I'll just give you a clue. If you think each words of the words provided here, if you don't know the meaning, don't worry, because if you try to find the meaning of each and every word, and I swear, I promise you, you can't find the meaning of, you can't find the order. Okay, definitely you can't find that. And let me tell the logic now. And if I tell the logic again, you will feel, is this that simple? And you will feel like these questions are asked in SSC JE, and even a small child can answer this. And the logic is, number of letters is the logic here. Number of letters for pig is 3, mead 4, poise 5, and snarls is 6. And you have to find in the given option which letters has 7 alphabets. Garnets, permuted, Beaufort and Heaths. And obviously garnets is the right answer, because garnets only has sum of 7 alphabets. Okay guys, as I told you earlier, SSC JE questions are easier to solve, but when you move on from these questions are somewhat easy, and if you go back to back, you will find obviously some difficult type of questions, and we can start solving again. Question number 13. You can take your question guys. Before I am solving, you can even pause the video and try to solve that question. And let us move on to the question number 13. This question has been asked in SSC JE 4-3-17 afternoon batch. Let me read you the question first. Select the odd word or odd letter, odd number, odd pair from the given alternatives. There is a odd word in the given alternatives. You have to find which word is the odd option given below. Let us go to solve. And the options are option A, career. Medicare. Scarecrow. And caramel. These are the given options, guys. And can you find which one is the odd one here? And again, this is a different type of question from the obviously from the before question we have solved. And you can pause the video and try to solve the question. And again, I am giving you a hint. If you think you are getting the meaning of each and every word and trying to eliminate the odd meaning word, it's very hard and it's obviously impossible for you to solve the question. Actually, the logic between this question is, I will say that, and again you are going to think this is very easy, but I am going to say it now. The word, there is a word here, care. In each and every option there is a word care, and but in this option it is caramel. So this is the odd option here, so this is the answer. That's simple, isn't it? Yeah. Let us see the further questions also. Question number 14. This question is asked in SSC JEE 4317 afternoon batch. The options here are, I will read out the question initially before reading the option. Select the odd word, odd letter, number, word, number pair from the given alternative. The same pair like the above one, the same question like the above one, and let us see the options now. The first one is pepper and salt. Second one, napkin and glass. Third one, glass and fork. Fourth option, plate and knife. After I have said this question, you can find the relation between each and every word is, these things are used in a table, I mean a dining table, in a restaurant or in the table in our home. We have to find that odd one, which is the odd one from the given options. And can you guess which is the right option? However, I am going to solve the question now. From the given option, you can note that each and every option except the first option are not edible, and salt and pepper is the only option which is edible, which we are using in our food to eat. So obviously this is going to be the odd option here, so this is the answer. Question number 15. This question is asked in same year SSC JEE 4317 afternoon batch. Same question, options alone is changed. Select the odd word, letter, number, word pair, number pair from the given alternatives. And the options are tossed and turned. First option. Second option is rise and fall. Run and jog. Slip and skid. Can you find the odd word from these options, guys? And I am going to reveal the answer now. And if you are trying to check the logic in this question now, and it is like a different question in the before questions, the logic is the main part, and this question you have to know the meaning of the question, so only it is possible for you to solve. And it is a general tip for you. If it is difficult for you to find the logic in a question, if you don't spend more than 2 minutes in a question, guys. That's the advice I am giving you. Because if you keep on spending the same, if you keep on searching for the same thing in a question, obviously it is not going to be the case, because the question paper setters want to divert us. So that has happened here. You can't check for the logic here. You have to know the meaning. Before, when we read the options itself, you can say whether these things are given in logic or these things are given in meanings. And I see this: tossed and turned, rise and fall, run and jog, slip and skid. Except the option second one, all the things, all the pairs are of same things. Just check it. Tossed and turned. Tossed means, for example, we are tossing the coin. It's called tossed. When we toss the coin turns from front and back. So tossed and turned are same thing. Run and jog. It is obviously the same thing. You are moving from place to place. That is known as run and jog. Slip and skid. Both the things are same one. You don't need to go to the highway engineering subject for knowing the slip and skid concept, because there is a difference. Here in general English, the meaning is obviously the same. When seeing the second one alone, rise and fall. Rise and fall is an opposite thing. Rise means up, fall means down. So this is the opposite thing, and each and other options are of meaning things. So obviously this will be the right answer. Second one, rise and fall. Okay guys, let's go to the next question. Question number 16 of SSC JEE 4/3/17 afternoon. Let me read the question now. Select the odd word, letter, number, word, pair, number pair from the given alternatives. Obviously each and every question has been repeated the same manner, only the option is being changed here. Don't worry guys, when these questions are asked in same order, we can score the marks higher level. Okay, let me read the options here. Option 1 is smile. Option 2, giggle. Option 3, cry. Option 4, laugh. Let us see here. In this thing, which is the odd one? And obviously most of you can find it easily that cry is the odd one. And the reason most of you people will start giving that, because smile, giggle and laugh are of same thing, like being in a happy condition, and cry is a thing in which you are going to be in a sad condition. And that is also a case. I am using the word also here because there is another logic you have to note here. In this question it has come in an easy manner. In future question there may be this logic also. Note down this logic. First logic is, this is the opposite thing of the above three things, and the second logic is, if you note down this clearly, in each and every word except cry there will be a vowel in it. Here IE, and here U, and in the word cry alone there is no vowel. So that is the second logic to solve this question. So obviously this question has two logics, and most of the question can only have vowels logic also. So you have to be careful. Okay guys, let's move on to the 17th question of SSC JEE, which is asked in the same batch 4/3/17 afternoon. Let me read out the question. Select the related word or letter or number from the given alternatives. And what is the alternative here? Cured is to ready. To alarm is the question mark. And the options are lumen, redraw, redeem, and lump. Okay guys, we have already covered the verbal analogy topic in the previous classes, and I have given you some commonly asked analogy examples before, and reading that logics alone, if you try to guess this option, obviously you are not going to get the answer, because this logic is a different one, but this is an easy one. As I said you, if you look at this closely, you can solve it. And the clue I am going to give you for this question is, for this question, if you start checking for the meaning of ready and these options some provided here, you can't find the answer, guys. Actually there is a logic here, that is an easy logic. You can if you know the logic, you can find it easily. You can pause the video and try the option, and now I will say the logic. If you can't find it, just look at it, and this is very easy. If I said before I am saying, you will think that it is very difficult. Okay, now the logic here is, can you guess it, guys? What I have written here? The thing is, the last three letters of the first word is the first three letters of the second word. That's the logic here. And here for alum, you can think, why sir you have put a lump here, why not lumen? Because the starting letter of this also is the same, and I will say you the reason why I have not put lumen here. Because look at this word, you have to look at the overall logic also. Alum is a 4-letter word, and lump is the only thing with 4 letters. Lumen is a thing with 5 letters. So the answer option is not lumen. Most of the people will find the logic, this logic also, but they will leave and select the wrong option here in this one, in the overall logic. So you have to be careful in both the things. Let us go to the next question. Question number 18, which is asking SSC JEE 4317 batch, which is afternoon batch. Select the related word, letters or numbers from the given alternatives. Now the alternatives are back, forth. This is the question. Let us see here. Let us see the answer options now. Rise is to shine. Forgive is to forgot. Rise is to fall. Sun is to shine. And obviously, with the this is an easy question. Most of you people might have found the logic already. Back and forth. Back is the opposite of forth, so it is clear that we have to search for the opposite words in this answer options. I have already provided the logic in the previously solved concept video of verbal analogy. You can look out for that also. And back and forth, what is the opposite here? Rise and shine. Rise and shine, it is generally not an opposite thing. Rise and shine means we would it generally means like a sun, saying something about sun. Rise and shine. Forgive and forget. Both the things are same thing. I am sorry. Forgive means a person does a mistake and you are forgiving that mistake. Forget means you have forget something and you misplaced that things related to that stuff. Rise and fall. Obviously, rise means up, fall means down. So this may be a right thing. We can keep it in reserve. Sun and shine. This is not the logic. So obviously, back and forth logic follows with the logic of rise and fall. And this may be the answer, guys. It is very easy, isn't it? Now let us go to the next question. Question number 19. This question is asked in SSC JEE 4-3-17 afternoon batch. The answer options, I'll read out the question first. Select the related word or letters, numbers from the given alternatives. And the given alternatives are cheerfully, act. This is the option here, and the options given below are active, action, actively, and look at this question, guys. Mostly this each and every option each and every option here is look like the same thing of act, active, action, activity, actively. And here you have to look out for a thing. If you find the logic between the first two pair, you can easily find the logic between act and the option which is going to come below. And the logic here is cheerfully is the adverb of cheer. Cheerfully is the adverb of cheer. So you have to look at the adverb for act. What is the adverb for act? Obviously, adverb for act is actively. And we are obviously going to see this thing is based on a part of speech. We will see the parts of speech concept in the upcoming classes. We will initially solve the remaining questions of the previous year SSC JEE verbal ability questions, and I am going to teach you parts of speech, however, in the upcoming classes. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 20. This is asked in SSC JEE same year 4-3-2017, but forenoon batch. Let me read the question. Which of the following words follow the trend of the given list? The first one is ulcer, lunar, cough, casual, avenue. And the options are slumber, you can there is no space there, you can write on it or you can note on there. Slumber, absolute, crude and utopia. You will think that the things mentioned here are like some disease like ulcer, cough, and these two are diseases, and if you try to figure out the meaning of the things given here with a disease, obviously you are not going to find the answer option, because the option here is very simple, and that one is the word you is been changing to a one right position in each and every word, and you must select the option in which u is provided in the 6th position, and in the answer options the u is provided in 6th position for absolute, so the option is 2 absolute.